Okay, so in this review, you have several questions that kind of got to answer along the way here. So let's take a quick look here. It says find the perimeter and the area of the figure. Leave your answer in terms of pi. Be sure to use labels. So what's the problem asking you to do? Well, it's asking us to find both perimeter and area. So perimeter and area both have to be found. What units will I need? Well, for perimeter, it's just straight lines, so that's just meters. And for area, obviously, it'll be meters squared. Lots of formulas here I'm going to use today. When I'm finding area, I've got base and height. I've got area of circle, circumference of a circle as well. Does the problem involve pi? If so, do you leave in terms of pi, or do you multiply by 3.14? This says up here, leave in terms of pi, so we're going to say leave in terms of pi is what we're going to want to do there. So perimeter. Oh, by the way, we should talk about this before we move any further. So what I've really got going on here is I have rectangle minus half of a circle. So if you see here, here's half the circle. So it's like somebody took a bite out of a cookie. We should also note along here, along this this side, it is actually 6 along here. So the radius of my circle, or diameter of the circle, is 6. Right, because the center would be right there. The radius is actually 3. So if we talked about halfway across the circle, the radius is 3. So you might want to note that R is 3, diameter is 6. Might be important to know. So finding the perimeter, we add the distance around the outside. So follow along here. Oh, by the way, this bottom side is also 10, right? It's going to be the same as the one above it. So follow along with me here. 10 plus 6 plus 10. So that's 26. Right? And then plus half of a circle. Well, again, circumference, I'm sorry, not plus, it have to be minus, because it's minus, so hang on a sec here. So minus half of a circle. So again, we're going to have 26 minus half of the circle. And the circle, the circumference of that is pi diameter, so 26 minus half pi, the diameter of 6. So what that means, obviously, we're going to take half of 6 here, so that'll be 3. So the answer ends up being 26 minus 3 pi. In this case, it's going to be meters because it's distance around the outside. And you can't combine those, can't make it a 23 pi, something weird, right? Because there's no pi on the 26. So it literally stays just like that. Now on the area, so we're going to have the same thing, rectangle minus half a circle. So what does that look like? Well, the rectangle's area is 10 by 6. So that's 10 times 6 minus half of a circle. Area of a circle then we know is pi r squared. So half of pi, and then radius is 3. Oops, want a 3 in there. 3 squared. So the 10 times 6 is 60 minus, so 3 squared is 9, right? So this right here is 9. Half of 9 is 4.5. Don't lose the pi. So 4.5 pi, and this will be area, so it's meters squared. So there's our answer for area that we're looking for.